that dough.
Get that.
Gotta get it.
Huh? Yes. HPS is the team. The bros call me Solo. I kick that real shit so you can find me in a dojo. When I'm waving my finger left to right, that's a no-no. That fake shit is the matrix cause it's slow-mo. Broke is a joke, you boys get no dough. Never seen you with a bitch, I figured you was homo. If you ain't about it, leave that tough shit alone, yo. I'm on my Al Capone and I'm coming for the throne. So step aside, let a real nigga shine. Halftime hustlers ain't fucking with my grind. Weak ass rappers ain't fucking with my rhymes. And I got something for that ass if y'all get out of line. I never been a game boy, so I don't play games. I smoke a little herb, cause you know I got to maintain. I'm young with a sick flow, my bars got Medicaid. Bitches wanna give me brains, so I let them educate. And like her legs got divorced, they separate. Then I beat it up. Can somebody say scrambled eggs? Now shorty's on lock. I ain't talking dreads. My money's stupid, son. Bitch, I get retarded bread. I'm from Harlem, just in case you forgot it. Like fireworks and rockets, your boy gets it pop.